Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. And this update is for Wednesday, the 5th of April, 2023. My name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So as we get started here, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you like what you're seeing, make sure on any of the candidates, make sure that it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance before you ever take any of that risk on for yourself. Right, and if you do like what you're seeing here, folks, follow along with the various social platforms we have out there. Keep up with the latest and greatest. Make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com to get all of our free content that we put out there. All right, if we look at economic reports today, we got a couple. We got ADP non-farm payroll, which is a decent report, comes out at 8:15, so about 45 minutes when I'm doing this video. And then 10 o'clock is PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. It's an ISM Services report, and that is where purchasing managers tell you how much it's costing to buy stuff. Is it more or less expensive? So big reports coming out. Keep your eye open on that 10 o'clock one. That could be dangerous if you're in the wrong place. We look at futures here. Well, we got a little bit of red happening, a little recovery lately, a little bit of a bounce the last few minutes. But the ES is down 1 3/4. The Dow is down 4 whole points. The NASDAQ's down 4.5. The RUT is down 20 cents. Bitcoin's up $345, so 28.7. Ethereum, 1929. It's got above that 1900. It's up 49. Gold's up 2 to over 2,000 now, and crude is down. But it's 3 cents. Oh well. But we're still above $80 on our price of crude. Okay, so let's go ahead, take a look at our candidates. I'm going to open up an option chain here so we can see exactly what's happening there. So the S&P 500 last evening closed down 24 points, right at 4,100, and that 40.93.74 level, right in that range or zone in there. That's our first stopping point, but we chipped away at the ice yesterday. We broke through a little bit. That wick pierced through and said to the market, hey, if you want to go down, we've already set the stage. You can do it. I have more comfort with the breakout that looks like that than just breaking out on the close and closing near that 40.93 but underneath it and then potentially bouncing up above. All right, so we're going to look at that for the downside. This black line up here is 41.81. That is our fib level as well. All right, then we got AI. They had some bad news come out on them yesterday. They've got some accounting irregularities. The news is still following them along today that they're contending with. Right? So, man, smack a banger, boomerang. What the Lord giveth, the Lord taketh away. Right? And Bruce Almighty. So, I mean, that was just, wow. Big move yesterday, down $9 on what was a $34 stock. So right now, we're in a neutral bias. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 26. Now, we've got 2.5 increments. So we'd probably do 26.5 is what we'd be looking at, which as of right now had a really good premium. Before, I mean, it's down about $1 in pre-market. So that was before that move. 27.5. Yeah, I mean, for a 27.5, 28, we were looking at 10 cents. For 50 cents of risk, you're getting 10 cents in. So not bad. BROS is our next one. They received an upgrade. Let's go get a little bit of a bigger picture here. Okay, there we go. So they got an upgrade. Where are they? They're up $1.15 to 33.25. So 33.35 actually to be exact. So we got above all three moving averages. So we're in a bullish bias. We've got resistance of 34 ahead. 28 to 34 is 6. Oh goodness, we need to split that in half, right? So let's do that if we could. Let's put a negative 136 and we'll add a 118. Okay. So we're looking at a bull put spread below 31. All right, Johnson & Johnson. I love these guys. Always have. Right? They've had some troubles with lawsuit. There's talk of settlement now. They've popped handsomely, $4.61 to the upside, which puts them at 163.10. So we got above that 158.74. We got above that 162.58, but not by much, right? We're only 50, 60 cents above there. So it's hard to do a credit spread at that one, below that 163 level there, 162. 58 to 62 is 4. So we're going to apply a Fibit in here. So it's a manual Fibit. I don't have it set up to do these micro levels at all. But we're going to look at a bull put spread below 160. We're going to do it aggressive just because I don't have, I can use the Fibit there, but it's not a true requirement. It's okay, but it wasn't a great place to have it. All right, United Healthcare, they got an upgrade. They have earnings coming up, I think, on the 14th. It is. They are confirmed. They're a power option plays candidate for me, for us. So they're up nicely, $4.71, the biggest mover of everybody so far this morning. And Johnson & Johnson's very close, but J&J is a lot lower price stock too. So an upgrade, where are we? 498 we'll call it, so just under the 500. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 493. And then last, not least, Zion Bank. Right? Zion got an upgrade. They're up $1.03 right now. 28.75. So we are still in a bearish bias. So we're going to say next on this, right? Not a big fan of this one right now just because of us still being in that bearish bias. It does have monthly options. There's just all kinds of stuff that are not pointing in my direction at all. So folks, over on tradinglikeaboss.com, there's a training that is today at noon, I believe we've got it set up for today, called Top 3 Trading Strategies. Brandon Wendell, an amazing trader from a technician standpoint. I am constantly in awe with what this man knows as far as all the technicals out there, the indicators and so forth, how to use them. He's going to go over his top 3 trading strategies he's using right now in the marketplace to kick tail. So go ahead and register for that free training that's out there by going over to tradinglikeaboss.com. And of course, all of our other free resources are here. The next Trading Coaches Playbook is next week. It's not this Friday because the markets are closed, so we will not have a video on Friday either. But take advantage of all of the different resources we've got there. All right, with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.